everyone! So we have this canvas here that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's an artist canvas and it's 8 inches, I guess, all the way around the diameter. And I have some mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm really using some E6000 and we're going to put them together to make a nice wall decor for Mother's Day. So we're just going to glue down the mirror to our canvas. And I'd like to say welcome to everyone. Thank you for clicking on today to see today's Mother's Day DIY wall decor that I have to share with you guys. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you become part of the Glamster team. Alright everyone, I'm using some hot glue also. And we just placed the mirror into the center of our boards. And I have 2 more to do because altogether it's 3 pieces. Okay, so I just covered up our mirror with some painter's tape and some paper towel. And I'll be using this molding paste here to add right around our canvas. As you can see, the molding paste is very easy to apply, so we're just going to spread it all around our canvas. Now I'll be using this comb here to add some texture to our molding paste. As you see, we're just going to scrape, going all the way around, adding lines to our molding paste. It's so simple and easy. Any little thing you have at your home, you can take it and do art with it. You don't need to go out and buy no fancy tools. So now that our pattern is done, I'm just going to set it aside for it to dry for a few hours, and then we'll continue with our decor. Okay, now our molding paste is all dry, as you can see. So I'm still going to leave the cover on the mirror, and we're going to be using some of this black acrylic paint to paint our design going all the way around. Now I'll be adding some black glitter that we have here to our canvas, to the paint. And I'm adding it while the paint is wet because you cannot add Mod Podge to black paint. It turns out white. So I'm adding it to the paint while it's still wet so it will dry with the paint. And the glitter just makes the paint look a lot better, more blingy, because it is a matte paint when it's dry. So with this, it gives it a nice shine and luster. I love it. And then I'll just set it aside to dry for a few hours. Now I'm going into my circuit design space, and I open my project, and I'll be clicking on the shapes, which I'm using a circle shape because our mirrors are circles. And then I'm going to go into images, and then I'm going into download the images that I saved, and I'll be using home is where mom is. So I just insert it in, and I'm going to change the color of the circle so I could just see how the words will look on the circle. If it's in black, I won't see it because my words are black. And now I'm going to go again to my space again and download this diamond here. Place it onto the circle again. Make it a little bit larger. Yeah, I like that. Yep. So we see how it looks. Yep. So now I just delete the circle because I don't need it. And then we are going to make our shapes. So I press make. It brings me over here. And then I'm just going to send it to my Cricut. And there it is, cutting out our design. Okay, now our mirrors are all dry. So I'm just going to use some alcohol here and clean off our mirrors. We want the surface nice and clean when we're going to put down our pieces that we cut. Here they are. So I'm just going to try and center it, or just place it down neat. Then we're just going to scrape it a bit to make sure it's sticking down, and then we are going to lift it. There we go. OMG. Now we're going to do the diamond. Same thing. scrape it with our scraper to make sure it's sticking to the surface. And then we are going to lift from the corner, lift up. There we go. And we are going to do another diamond because remember it's 2 of the diamond shapes, so we're just going to do 2. So now I'm just going to add some of these gems to our diamond. These little gems here, we're just going to add them going around our diamond shape, both of our diamond shapes. And here is our finished look. I think they turned out very nice. I love the saying, home is where mom is. Yes, it is. Always nice and cozy where mom is. Yes. I think it looks lovely. And then here we have our diamond, which we gave it an extra bling with our gems. I think it's a lovely piece of wall decor for Mother's Day. It looks very nice. And you can have it going straight up and down like I did. You can have it sideways if you want to do it the longer way. Or you could just mix it up in any shape or pattern that you like. It will look lovely. A lovely piece of wall decor gift for mom. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIY that I just shared with you. A nice gift idea for your mom or the special person that you consider mom in your life. Yeah. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you're new here, once again, welcome. And I do hope you'll hit that subscribe button on your way out so you become part of the Glamster team. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up. Alright everyone. Thank you for coming on and seeing today's Mother's Day gift idea wall decor. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. Baby, it's okay, it's okay.